Why low-impact workouts work. Low-impact exercises reduce stress on your joints while still providing an effective cardiovascular workout. Perfect for beginners. Benefits of a 30-minute routine. A half hour of focused exercise can boost metabolism, burn calories, and improve endurance without feeling overwhelming. Warm-up importance. Spend 5 minutes warming up with light movements like marching in place or arm circles to prepare your body for activity. Key low-impact exercises. Examples include squats, step touches, side lunges, and seated punches. These moves target major muscle groups and burn calories. The role of interval training. Alternate between moderate and higher intensity moves, for example, slow side steps to quicker ones to maximize calorie burn. Focus on full body movements, combining upper and lower body movements, like squats with arm raises, engages more muscles and increases calorie expenditure. The science of fat burning. During a workout, your body uses stored fat as fuel. Consistency is key to seeing results over time. Incorporating core exercises. Low-impact exercises like seated twists or modified planks strengthen your core while burning fat. Cool down for recovery. After your workout, stretch major muscle groups like hamstrings, quads, and shoulders to aid recovery and flexibility. Hydration is essential. Staying hydrated during your workout helps maintain energy levels and supports muscle function. Modify for your fitness level. Beginners can adjust the intensity of exercises by shortening their range of motion or slowing down movements. Incorporate resistance bands. Adding resistance bands can make low-impact exercises more challenging, increasing calorie burn. The importance of consistency. A 30-minute workout 3 to 5 times a week can yield noticeable fat-burning results within a few weeks. Listen to your body. Stop or modify exercises if you feel pain, and prioritize proper form over speed to prevent injury. Track your progress. Use a fitness tracker or journal to monitor your workout frequency, duration, and progress over time. Engage your core throughout. Keeping your core engaged during exercises improves posture and adds an additional fat-burning effect. Use music for motivation. Create an energetic playlist to keep you motivated and make your workout more enjoyable. The role of nutrition. Pairing your workout routine with a balanced diet rich in whole foods supports fat loss and overall health. Workout anywhere. These low-impact exercises can be done in small spaces, making them perfect for home, parks, or travel. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge milestones like completing a week of workouts or improving your endurance to stay motivated. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.